At 4 with news from across Wisconsin. The Green Bay man known as Uncle Fester went back to court today. Stephen Priesler facing drug charges following that arrest in July of 2023. He also has several new charges against him. A trial set for next month was taken off the Brown County court calendar. Priesler's defense saying today they aren't sure they'll be ready. Priesler published books about drug and bomb making under the pseudonym Uncle Fester. Police reporting finding about $65,000 worth of meth, chemicals, and equipment to make drugs after searching his home on South Beer Street about 2 years ago. Priesler has disputed the allegations, arguing that many items found by police were not identified correctly. Priesler will appear in court again in early October.